What causes this improper state of doshas in blood? I am going to read what Charaka says, and it is very practical. Pradushta bhahutikshna ushnaihi madhyaihi. When somebody overeating and alcohol intake. You see, alcohol intake disturbs the quality of blood. Ati lavana, you can see these symptoms in more people, those who take a lot of alcohol. Ati lavana, when somebody takes too much of salt, too much of spicy food, then also person get such toxins in blood. Now they have told a particular specific food which created disturbances in blood. Please avoid eating too much of these food items. Number 1, barley. Too much of barley intake is not good. Too much of sesame. Sesame little is very good for blood, but if you take too much, it is going to disturb blood quality. Radish is not good for the blood, so do not take too much of radish. And meat is not good for blood. Yogurt, sour yogurt is also not good for the blood. Any type of wine or alcoholic products, preparations, they are also not good for quality of blood. Viruddhanam upaklinna putinam bhakshena. When you eat food which is opposite in qualities, that is also creates a problem of toxins in blood. Eating and sleeping in the day. Some people, they eat food and immediately go to sleep in noon time. That also causes toxins in blood. Atyadana, when somebody, even though hunger is subsided, but still because of the taste greed, person keeps on eating, then toxins form in blood. Autumn season, autumn usually it is a seasonal quality of autumn that blood is not very purified. Therefore, in autumn one should do fasting. Therefore, in India it is a spiritual practices that during autumn people do 5 days fasting or many fastings. In emotional factor, actually it is an anger. Anger causes disturbances of doshas in blood. Atapanalav, when somebody is exposes too much to sun or too much to wind, that is also cause disturbances in blood. Overexertion or getting any injury to the body. How I understand here, what they want to say that disturbances in the blood, they mean to say that it is an immune reaction in the blood. You see, all these diseases are actually immune reaction. All the smell in the body is also result of immune reactions. So, somewhere when person is having a nervous system is disturbed, and when nervous system stimulate immune cells in blood, that is what is in Ayurvedic perspective disturbed condition of blood. What one should do? It is a question. Look, my dear friends, bigger the problem, Ayurveda believes in smaller solution. Langhanam paramaushadham, one should do fasting, one should avoid eating food too much in quantity, like overeating. If you can do fasting whole day, once in a week, or if you can do once in 15 days like Ekadashi, it is very good for blood, because every time we are eating and eating and eating and everything is going in blood, and that is actually giving over stress to our immune system. So, what we should do? We should try to avoid overeating, or at least once in a week or once in 15 days we must do fasting, and in autumn we have to do mandatory fasting. So, fasting is a very good solution, naturally toxins gets dissolved. Second is, you can take dates, you can boil dates and rhizomes. Rhizomes, they are like dry grapes. You can take 10 dates, remove the seeds and take 20 dry grapes and boil them in half liter of the water, and once when water get cooled down, then smash all these dates and dry grapes and again mix with little sugar, or if you can get brown sugar, that is better, and then make it completely cool, room temperature level. And then if you drink this dates and dry grapes drink, cool drink, it's very good for your blood and it's very good to reduce immune reaction. You can also take moong dal soup, you can take chana, it's fantastic for cooling of the blood. As a panchakarma, Virechana is a fantastic medicine for this. What you can do, you can take Triphala, 1 teaspoon every night in half glass of water and drink, or 2 teaspoon, or at least once in 15 days take Triphala and you will get a mild loose stool for 2-3 times, but that is going to remove toxins from blood. Another thing what you can do is old ghee. Purchase today itself 1 liter of ghee, 1 kg ghee, and seize it, its lid, and keep in your house and use it after 6 months. 1 teaspoon of this ghee is going to subside immune reaction in your blood. I hope that this class is going to help all of us to keep our health in a good condition. I have not taken medicine aspect of Ayurveda because this class is for Ayurveda students and also for those who are Ayurveda fans and who want to see health through natural parameters, through the help of nature, through the help of food. So, I have tried to take a very important solutions without telling you a tablet based Ayurvedic remedies. For that you can approach to your Ayurvedic physicians, and this can also be very helpful for Ayurveda students. Whatever I have spoken, that is from Charaka Sutra Sthana 24th chapter, Vividha Shonatiya Adhyaya chapter, and Rakta Pitta chapter of Charaka Chikitsa Sthana 4th chapter. So, I hope that you are going to use this knowledge to improve your health and as well as health of people whom you know. Thank you.